Hello, welcome to PlatonicRose Regiment on YouTube, where I help you become masters of your own beauty and your babies as well. So today for Hair Wash Friday episode, we are going to be doing a regimen of how to get your frizzy hair into a really lush and texture hair, something like this. So this is my hair now, and I am just loving the texture that my hair has. So if you want to see how I was able to get texture in my hair, keep watching. So for today regimen mixture, you're going to need some rose flower. So I'm using 1/3 of a cup of each: rose flower, hibiscus, and rosemary. And then I'm going to boil some water and add that to my mixture. I'm going to add about 2 cups of that to my mixture, and you guys can feel free to add any type of herbs that you want. It doesn't have to be this. I just chose this because I have been having a blast with these, and they're like the backbone for my hair growth. So if you have 1 herb, that's fine. You can use that one instead of using 3. I'm mixing 3 because I just love those 3 together. They smell amazing and they work wonders for me. So now I'm just adding more water to that, 2 cups of water to that, and then I'm going to let that sit for about 12 hours. And if you guys want me to make a video just talking about the benefits of each of these herbs, I would love to do that. Just make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So now that I have my mixture, I'm going to try to screen that. So one thing I forgot to mention before was that I already went ahead and added some preservative to my mixture in the bowl. And so after I screen that, I'm just going to move on to my fenugreek powder that I used in a bowl and made a paste of it and let it sit out overnight as well. And I already added preservative to that one too. Maybe next time I can kind of show you guys how I did that, but I forgot to recall that, unfortunately. So then I'm going to get that mixture and then measure up what I'm going to be using today, and then the rest I'm going to put in the fridge, and that should be good for at least 2 months. So I have my daughter in the background just in case you're hearing her. So I microwave that for about 1 minute, and then after that I apply my essential oil blend and some thickener to it, and I'm going to mix that up until it thickens really well, and it should be ready for use. So you guys can feel free to add any thickener. So my thickener that I'm using is an emulsifier as well, so it kind of just blends the oil and water mixed together so that it's easier to use. And now that I have that, it's looking really good. I'm done washing my hair and shampooing and everything, so I'm going to begin applying it. One of the first thing I realized when I apply this is that it's really soft. It gives the hair soft texture, and also I can see my curls just start to pop out, y'all. I am feeling that it is so soft. I'm going to next week try to do a leave-in gel with this, just because I like this mixture so much. And you guys can look forward to my product launch in March. I am not trying to talk about that, but I am excited, so I just wanted to let you guys know to be on the watch for it. It's coming up in March, and it's mostly about growth and texture, so you guys, you're up for a treat. So that's the end result. That's how my hair looks. It's more texturized. It's way better than it used to be, and I can't wait to do a leave-in for this.